Wonderful good morning here. Yeah, another beautiful day in Turkey today, still in Turkey. So I will now pack up my tent, and I saw over the night that also some cows came by. So I don't know, they just sleep now there. I will just pack up my stuff now and then get back on the road. It's again a bit later. I think I will never be able to stand up early. But yeah, now let's get out of here again. And today I want to reach the northest point of Turkey. Well, we will probably then, there we will be probably also closest to the war in Ukraine. Oh no, today the sand is a bit very, I'm not good at sand driving yet. Enjoy some good sceneries and maybe some cows. Wherever you stop on this street here, it's always beautiful. Okay, they don't have fuel, they only have LPG, they only have gas.
I guess I just never noticed.
Are they doing a blockade here? What is this? Looks fun, or maybe not. So I stopped at this restaurant here that I just saw on the way. I don't know what exactly I had as food, but it was very good. Something with eggs or so. Couldn't read the menu, so I just picked something.
Faces fade to black as they move from the light. Am I even real? Even real? Everywhere I look, I'm starting to feel time is eating me alive.
There's the northest point of Turkey. take a look around here. This will probably be the most north one I will ever be in Turkey, as yeah, this is the northest point of Turkey. We have a lighthouse over there, sunset. Let's quickly get to a camping spot for the night before the sun goes down. Yeah, I think I found my spot. Put up my tent over there. Yeah, that spot here looks good. Or maybe I will check out the spot over there. Maybe that one looks better. A bit more space over there. Looks better. Put up here my camp.